Find or read reviews that people are talking about Acer Vero V7, V247Y, monitor. Acquire early reviews on products that have few or no reviews, helping shoppers make smarter buying decisions. Next, we are introduced some reasons why you should choose that. Features: 24-inch FHD IPS, 1920 x 1080, 100 Hz refresh rate, 1 HDMI 1.4, 1 VGA, flickerless, brightness 250 nits. Sustainably designed. Vero monitors are designed to give you a more sustainable choice in displays. This monitor is built with 35% PCR plastics and features 100% recyclable packaging. In full view. Enjoy how your projects or assignments look on this IPS monitor with excellent front-of-screen views. It boasts FHD resolution and AMD FreeSync technology, featuring a 100 Hz refresh rate for sharp images and fluid motion. Adaptive Sync. With Adaptive Sync, the monitor's frame rate is synced with your graphics card, eliminating screen tearing and delivering ultra-smooth video playback. And other features that Video Introduce the latest products channel does not recommend. If you want to get full highlight features and / or full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. Don't forget to press subscribe, press the bell to get instant notifications of all future uploads.